Hello everyone, third video in my new series where I show you the Christmas projects I've been making for my first ever craft fair. This time I'm showing you these Christmas vases. They are three little metal vases, which I guess are used for small plants. I don't know. It's just something that I had at home, and I decided to use them to create something. So two of them are white, and for the white ones I decided to put some bottle brush trees with this lovely retro light string, and then on the base I put this cotton to give that snowy effect. And on the front there is this big tartan bow. Lovely. And this is exactly the same, so these two are matching. And then there was this red one, which I had an idea in mind, and I think it ended up looking better than I thought. So these candy canes are the ones that I used for my Santa sled as well. They came in a pack and I had some more, so I decided to create this Christmas candy vase. So you'll see that the two candy canes are tied by this bow, and then in the actual vase there are some cookies and some candies. So you see the candies, they are wrapped in plastic, and to make the candies I just used some beads. Actually, I had these beads that I wasn't really using to make jewelry, so I decided to create some candies, and they are wrapped in this sort of light acetate. Then I made a cookie jar. You can't really see it, it says cookies, right? And inside there are some tiny wooden Christmas trees, like the one that you see on the lid, that I painted in brown, and they are like cookies. I also of course put one on the top, and then these three pieces, these two cookies plus this little candy cane. For the decoration of the vase there is a little bit of a trim here. It's a felt trim that came out of a paper kit that I bought, and it really adds a little bit of interest. And then around the vase there is this Christmas twine with a bow on the front and a little wooden button to top it all. I absolutely adore these projects. They look very nice together. I really do imagine them in a little display at home on a little shelf. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed another one of these small videos, and if you did, please consider liking, subscribing to my channel, leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.